Hey guys, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 5 Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. The first one, we're going to start off with this huge farmhouse tag. I really like the front of this. Normally when I do a DIY on one of these, it's because I don't like the sign, but I do. So I'm not going to mess up that part of the sign. But I do want to show you guys how you can make a really easy Christmas sign with the Dollar Tree stencils. And I'm just going to remove the sticker. I took a sanding paper and lightly sanded it down. Dollar Tree has all of these different ribbons out for Christmas. Well, those are the same. So you can use one of those. But what I'm going to do is take this Walmart ribbon that I found yesterday. This is 25 feet and it was for $4.98. Loving this pattern. It's so pretty. It's like a buffalo check, but I like it that it's not like super white. It's like a creamy color. So I'm going to use this ribbon to make a bow up here. For this next one, I have a Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. It's wooden. I'm going to take some buffalo check scrap paper that I had from Hobby Lobby. I think it was like 3 for $1 over there. And I'm gonna trace it out on here and then Mod Podge it to the tree. I've done this quite a few times on my channel, but if you haven't seen me do it, I put some Mod Podge on the lid and all I do is get some on a sponge brush and wipe it all on here really good, especially the edges. I'm definitely not an expert at Mod Podge. Some things I Mod Podge look really nice and some things don't. This looks okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm not trying to make it look perfect. So now that I have that, I'm gonna use these. I took one off already. I'm gonna use these Walmart ornaments. This is a 6-piece. I think it was about $3, $2.98 I believe. And I love them. They're very farmhouse. They're just mini little wood squares with some Christmas sayings on them. I'm gonna figure out how to set them on here and then I'll glue them. For the next DIY, I'm gonna be making sort of a Santa Claus shadow box. And what I'm gonna do is just take one of these little frames They're made out of like MDF, they're not wood. And I'm not sure if this is gonna matter, but I am gonna remove this sticker. This one is easy to take off. And I'm also gonna remove that. All of this that you see here is from Dollar Tree. The Santa Claus, the ribbon, batteries, and the LED lights. Now I'm gonna be removing this and putting the batteries in there. You don't have to take the snowflakes off, it's not gonna matter. I'm gonna set these in here and kind of spread it around. It's gonna be sitting like that, so I'm gonna tape them down a little. That way they won't move. Now I'm just gonna add one more piece of tape. Once it's sitting up, it's gonna be behind there. That way it'll be easy just to turn on and off. So we're gonna just put a piece of tape behind here. Now I'm gonna take this ribbon. Again, they have a bunch of different ribbons at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna overlap it to tuck it in the back. To keep the Santa Claus head from jiggling like that, since it's not glued on too much but the rim, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree Jenga blocks and I'm going to apply glue and glue it down like that so it doesn't move so much. Alright, lastly, I'm going to take these buttons from the Dollar Tree. You're probably so annoyed of me saying that, but these are from the Dollar Tree. They come with a bunch of different buttons. I'm gonna take a few of them and see which ones. Let me see. I think I'll do 2. Yeah, and they're not all the same. They're all different, so for the 4th DIY, I'm making a present shadow box. It's practically almost the same thing as the Santa Claus one, just a bit different. Just start off by removing this, taking this off again. Lastly, to make it really look like a present, I'm going to take these Dollar Tree bows and add one to the top. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.